There are many things to think about once you get to the point where you can expand out your garage. However, getting there isn't always simple. How much DIY work are you interested in doing? How much room do you have? And what is your spending limit? These are the main questions, and the former will rapidly be directed by the two latter criteria. But the main question here is, what are the real essential inventions you need to add to your things to buy list? There are many things that can be done even with a modest budget and restricted space. That's why in today's video, help us list down these amazing inventions to top up your garage this 2023. Let's begin with number 1. Limo Silent Air Compressor, $180. Limo Silent Air Compressor won't disturb your neighbors in the early hours of the day, and you may use it all through the night without arousing the rest of the household. You can talk normally to someone while standing next to this working compressor without raising your voice. Ideal for the garage, cellar, workshop, or other job sites for trimming around the house. In addition to its speedy recovery, this little air compressor fills the tank from empty to full in just 45 seconds and recovers from 90 psi to 120 psi in just 15 seconds. Worry no more, this Limo Air tool is 100% factory tested and built of high quality parts. Electric air compressors come with a 1-year warranty. If you require technical assistance or a part replacement, don't hesitate to get in touch with our service staff. We will respond to your questions within 24 hours. The 1-gallon, very quiet air compressor weighs only 31.75 pounds NW, is composed of premium Q235B steel, and has an ergonomic grip handle for simple carrying and use. Oil-free, long-lasting motor means minimal upkeep and no chance of oil stains on work surfaces. In chilly temperatures, it can also be used. Check this one now at Amazon for $180. Number 2. EP Auto Click Torque Wrench, $30. You shouldn't cut corners with this purchase, and any respectable home garage should have several of them stored away in different sizes for safety. Torque wrenches are always included while discussing the greatest tools for the garage. There are many different sizes and types of torque wrenches, but beam or click torque wrenches are the most common. One of the best sellers on Amazon, this EP Auto Click Torque Wrench is only $30. The highest industry requirements are met during the production and testing of 4 all-torque wrench modules in a factory in Taiwan. Hardened treated chrome vanadium steel alloy serves as the material for the sturdy ratchet head. This makes this instrument useful for maintaining cars, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles. Number 3. Jack Boss Car Jack Stand, $30. No matter how much you like working on cars, crawling around underneath one is not fun, which is why skilled technicians use lifts. How much does it cost to lift your car so you can stand below it then? The lifting range of this Jack Boss single low-profile jack stand is between 10 inches and 15 inches, with a 10-ton or 40,000 pound capacity. It is made of sturdy mild steel with a fully welded frame for added strength and smoothness. To avoid corrosion, red jack stands have been powder coated, and the paint has been applied evenly and shiny. The heavy-duty jack stands can alleviate pressure on the tyres and provide adequate space and safety below the car for you to perform any repairs. The top saddle has a big concave shape contact surface area, providing the weight with ideal support. The sawtooth shape of the multi-position ratchet bar made of ductile iron allows for precise adjustment to the locking position, engagement with the bar that is firmly in place, and easy removal. More strength and stability are provided by the jack stand's wide pyramid foot base. One pair of heavy-duty, yet lightweight, thick and robust stands is included with this $30 equipment. Number 4. Touring Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack, $82. Having a sturdy floor jack on hand is always a good idea, even if you already have a car lift installed. If you're looking for a tyre puncture or chasing a clunk in the suspension coming from one specific corner of your car, you may only need to raise a single corner of your vehicle rather than placing it on a lift. Touring Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack is made with heavy-grade steel, giving it long-lasting toughness and an industrial sheen. With a maximum lifting height of 14 to 15/16 inches and a minimum lifting height of 3 to 3/8 inches, it has a 2.5-ton or 5,000 pound capacity. 2 big steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters are included for easy mobility. So what are you waiting for? Put this tool in your cart right away for $82. Okay, before we continue, we'd like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support our channel, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This will help us create more engaging content for you. Now, moving back to where we left off. Number 5. Topec 26-piece screw and bolt extractor and drill bit set, $36. This set of 26 multifunctional extractors is excellent. This bundle includes a drill bit kit and a 3-in-1 screw and nut removal kit. It includes 1 hex impact grade socket adapter, 6 right-hand high-speed steel drill bits, 6 spiral screw extractors, and 13 pieces of nut removers, diverse sizes and characteristics to suit your various work requirements. The nut remover, or spiral screw extractor, is composed of high-hardness chrome molybdenum steel, and the screw remover kit pieces have precise specifications printed on them. Reverse spiral grooves are bent downward to provide the strongest possible grip, making it simple to remove damaged bolts, nuts, and screws. The head of the right-hand drill, which is manufactured of HHS and has a 135-degree angle, is developed. This has a great penetration and is difficult to wear. Surface titanium nitride coating, effective anti-corrosion and rust prevention, prolonging service life. All high-end industrial boat extractors follow strict design guidelines. The strong grip offers additional torque and is difficult to lose. Even if they are peeled, rusted, or frozen, damaged bolts, nuts, and screws can be removed with ease. Get this set for $36. Number 6. FlexiMounts 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack, $230. Look up when it comes to garage storage. That was a joke with a pun. This 4x8 overhead storage rack from FlexiMounts is adjustable, making it a fantastic choice for bulkier goods like camping gear, plastic containers, and other things you don't use every day but don't want to get wet. By keeping your belongings off the garage floor, you can prevent water damage. Use the garage ceiling space to store seasonal and unneeded goods while protecting your belongings. Up to 105 cubic feet of storage is offered via the 22-inch to 40-inch ceiling dropdown. Made with high-grade materials, this $230 FlexiMounts overhead storage is thicker M8 screws selected, and all hardware have gone through thorough inspections and testing. Overall, its heavy-duty, cold-rolled steel design allows for loads of up to 600 pounds to be carried out safely. Number 7. Pro Bike Tool Bike Wall Mount, $50. Bikes up to 22 kilograms may be held by this Pro Bike Tool Bike Wall Mount. With the help of this wall-mounted storage rack or hook, you can move those bicycles out of the way and free up some garage floor space. To make it easier to store and remove your bike, store it horizontally. Strong steel wall mount with scratch-resistant finish. Bike arm locking mechanism uses a reliable ratchet gear system to firmly retain bikes. Different bike frame angles, shapes, and sizes can be accommodated by adjusting the angle of the wall hanger to maintain your bike level. Mounting screws and comprehensive installation instructions are included. Additionally, push-button lock system and adjustable cradle arms guarantee that bicycle frames of any size and form can be secured. The hanger beam can be extended from 8.7 inches to 12.6 inches and is attached using a secure push-button system to meet all environments and bicycle widths. Store your bike now in this wall mount for $50 via Amazon. Number 8. Sunix Cordless Drill Charging Station Power Tool Organizer, $69. This Sunix Cordless Drill Charging Station Power Tool Organizer provides space for up to 5 cordless drills or drivers, chargers, and 2 shelves on top. It also features 5 drill hangers. Drill bits and other supplies are kept on the shelves. Additionally, because of its enhanced real wood construction and high quality finish, this drill storage holder can accommodate a variety of heavy tools without any issues. The vertical shape of this cordless tool organizer makes it easy to access and store while still being incredibly helpful. And there is a slot on top for wires, serving as the charging station so that items related to your cordless tools are always all in one place. Yep, all that for $69. It's time to get organized. What do you think about these amazing tools? Which of these inventions would you like to add to your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.